Hello all. To write programs, we use integrated development environments, right? Which is called IDE. Example: we have Arduino IDE, we have Keel IDE, we have IAR IDE, or we have Code Composer Studio IDE, or for ST Micro that we are talking, we have STM32 Cube IDE, right? There are many IDEs. So using the IDE, you can write the program, you can flash the program, and you can also debug the program, right? There are several things we can do with IDE. Now, when you write a program and compile that program, you generate output file, which can be a binary file, which can be hex file, and you want to dump that file to your microcontroller, right? There is nothing different with STM as well. Okay, so now to do that, definitely you need an IDE, and as we said, through STM32 Cube, we can definitely use it to dump the program to the board. Now, apart from that, there are also some utilities which are generally called flash loaders, which are available. And when we plug the board and we open those utilities, the board gets detected. We will browse the output file that is generated from the IDE, and then we'll dump the code to the microcontroller. One such flash loader that is present for the STM32 devices is STM32 flash loader demonstrator. So STM32 flash loader demonstrator is a flash utility which can be used for programming the STM32 microcontrollers. Okay, so now that is now being obsolete. You can see here it is mentioned as NRND, and now it is replaced by STM32 Cube programmer. So if you see the flash loader, the interface looks like this, where once you connect the board, you get the port appearing here, and then you set the UART related things, and you go over the next steps to configure and load accordingly. Now, the STM32 Cube programmer, this again you can download from STM32. We'll provide both the links in the description, and you can see here this again is a utility which can be used, which is again available in various operating systems. So this can be used to program the devices using the JTAG and SWD. Also, if you have a bootloader in your board, whether it be UART, USB, I2C, SPI, or CAN, whatever bootloader, based on that interface, you can use STM32 Cube to program your microcontroller. Okay, so the interface for STM32 Cube programmer looks like this. So once you connect, you can see here there is an option for the ST-Link, UART, or USB. Once you connect the board, select ST-Link, or if you have a UART bootloader or you have a USB bootloader, select the appropriate option and then click connect. Then the device gets connected. So overall, right now from STM32, as we can see, there are two options, and in the next steps, we will see how to program the STM32 using these interfaces. Thank you.